Question 10 of this exercise says, simplify the expression and find its value when a equals to 5 and b equals to minus 3. So we will have to simplify the expression that is given in the question, and then we will have to find its value by putting the value of a and b. So let's simplify it first. So it is given that 2 bracket a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So let's multiply by 2. So when we multiply it by 2, it will become 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. So as we can see that the terms with ab are the like terms. So it will become 2a square plus 2ab and minus ab will give us plus ab and plus 3. So this is how we will simplify this expression. Now let's find its value by putting the value of a, that is 5, and b, that is minus 3. So it will become 2 into 5 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 3. So 2 into 5 square is 25, so which is 50, and 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 and plus 3. So 5 minus 15 is 35. So it will be 35 plus 3, which is same as 38.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.